Cardi B LA. So we have a, you stop laughing, bitch. So we have a beautiful 2022 Carrera Turbo S. This is one of my favorite cars. So we do have a 1016, I don't know, this is not a wide body kit, but package? I don't know. This car is a little bit modified. We have a back diffuser, exhaust tip. The round ones are better, much better. I like the side skirt, it looks beautiful. The front spoiler is beautiful too. So there's a few things on this car. So it's the front spoiler, side spoiler, back diffuser, and the hood. The front hood looks like a GT3. If this was a stock and Huracan stock, I will take this anyway, anytime.
All right, this 56 Chevy, you guys have seen this one before. This thing, every time it shows up, it's beautiful. Color's amazing. This customer keeps this thing in really good condition, as you guys can see. It's back for service. Nothing major, probably spark plugs, service, make sure everything's okay. Running a little rough. This car is driven almost every day. It drives perfect. Very, very unique looking. So yeah, this is amazing.
This is like original, everything original. This is the convertible one. Porsche, you have to get a convertible.
Really?
Yeah, I hate hardtop. Porsche, you have to get a convertible. Bro, this is the car you have to enjoy. And this is much, much better than that Porsche. This one is an exclusive package. Let me show it to you. The car has a special color, exterior color, and interior color too. This is a special exclusive color. And if you see, there's on the, whenever you put your hand, it says exclusive, right there. To be honest, I will choose a stock Porsche than that one.
Why?
There's ugly wheels.
Change the wheels.
Yeah, sure.
All right, guys, welcome. G-Wagon 4x4 Square, the new one. This thing you guys saw, it's unveiled this car to you guys. It's here for a full Brabus kit where we were not lying. As you can see right here, this is the first Brabus Widestar 4x4 being built out of Brabus. So we're the first. As you can see here, we have the entire kit, no expenses spared, literally got the full kit. As you can see, the front bumper and rear bumper are out. It's pretty much identical to the Widestar G63 that we just did. However, the flares are a little bit more extended and it has carbon fiber that goes on top of the Widestar flare. So it has even more stuff on it. This thing, we're not gonna do wheels. We're gonna leave the wheels factory because they are nice and we're not gonna mess with the drivability of it. We're just gonna mess with the cosmetics and the lights and the look. This is also gonna be a B700, so it's gonna get the tune from Brabus. It's also gonna get the electric side step that opens up. It's also gonna get the Brabus exhaust system. Right now we're unpacking everything. There's so many parts that go to this thing that it's crazy. I'm gonna show you a little bit here. Right here we have, this looks like the front right flare. Two pieces. So this is what goes on the vehicle, bolts on, and then this bolts to this. So it's a two-piece application, fits really, really well. Brabus does a good job. And then on top of it, you get another vent here, which goes like that. So another vent here. This will be painted body color. This will be painted black. There's a little strip here that will have the Brabus logo that will be painted body color. So all these little accent pieces that we're gonna do to make it look good. Like I said, this is the Widestar kit. So this flare comes off, this goes on, and then there's another carbon fiber piece that goes on this. So a lot of stuff that we gotta paint and prep. As you can see, these are all little components of the front bumper, grills, vents. We also have a ton of carbon fiber going on the hood as well as the secondary LED lights on the front bumper. It's just never ending. This is a huge, huge build, and we're super, super happy to be able to build this here in-house with the paint, with the fitment, with everything exact. So stay tuned. This one will be done pretty fast too. We'll get this thing into paint in the next few days and then put it all together. So stay tuned.
This VJ here, you guys might have an idea of what's going on. Javier is basically putting this car all back to stock. Customer's putting it back to stock. He wants everything back. It is extremely, extremely super loud. That's one of the reasons why. So we're basically taking everything back to stock. We're putting all the exhaust mufflers, everything back to stock right now. And we have another one actually, same time, same process, same exact thing. So we're doing two SVJs. at the moment and putting everything back in stock. So Javier will be done with this one hopefully by today. Wrap this thing up and then go to the next one, wrap that one up, and then basically we have a pretty busy schedule today, so we're doing a lot. All right, so we have this Rolls Royce Ghost here. This is a 2015 Rolls Royce Ghost. Do not hit the wheel, please. We already did a complete front brake job on this car just now. Also in here for a regular service, which is already done. That's it. Very easy on this one, super clean. There you go. All right, so another Urus project, you guys. We just got this car back from our wrap shop. They're done wrapping the car. Everything's wrapped. It's ready for the wide body kit process. As you guys can see, the hood is not wrapped. That's because we're putting a 1016 hood on it. Lewis has started the process already. You guys can see everything's getting made to be put on the car. So another wide body kit. The color actually is a pretty unique color. It looks good with carbon. Let's take a look at the door jambs, guys.
You can't open it.
Yeah. Wrong one. All right, let's take a look at this one. So it does, you know, the funny thing about purple, it looks like paint. The door jambs look like paint. I mean, the jambs usually look good when we do it, but some colors, it looks a little bit more like paint than others. This is a color that you can get away with and sort of get fooled that, you know, the jambs are paint and not a wrap, but this is a wrap. You guys can see how nice it is. Basically, Lewis is gonna start this thing. I think Lewis has done so many of these guys that it's he does it with his eyes closed. So we'll have this thing probably ready in about a week, maybe 1 week. And that's it. Look at him, he looks like he's a lawyer or something. Tired? Tired of what? Doing the same job 10 times? Javier reminds me of Lewis. It's the same thing. They keep taking things apart and putting back things. They've done it so many times that, I don't know, I guess they're used to it. And Javier keeps taking mufflers and stuff off of SVJs and putting them in the back. But it's getting pretty easy to use. It's like basic.
Open your own shop. SVJ exhaust.
Oh, Vic would probably come after you and kill you. I think this is a really attractive car. I mean, for one of the older cars, I think this is probably one of the nicer ones. The chrome is like flawless on this car. You see a lot of other older classics that are done that have a lot of chrome damage. You know, things are peeling off, things are coming off, but this car has been taken care of very well.
Target, customer in the front, target, customer in the front.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below, all right? So, see you on the next one. Haha.
I love you, you're the best. You're the best. It's just
Moses, how old are you?
42.
I'm the 62 fucking guy. 20 years more. Let's go together to any job.
Oh,
Let's bring all your shop guys.
oh shit.
Which shop, guys?
Everybody.
Employees, you're saying.